ProDentim. ProDentim, a groundbreaking dental and oral health supplement, is designed to improve the health of your gums and teeth. This advanced oral probiotics supplement uses a powerful combination of ingredients to support your gums and teeth health. To provide you with complete information, we have read hundreds of ProDentim reviews. Unless your teeth are infected or have a cavity, you should not neglect their health. Poor oral hygiene is a common problem. Many people indulge in unhealthy habits that lead to poor dental hygiene. These include excessive smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and sweet eating. Poor brushing technique, as well as a lack of flossing after meals, can all lead to oral disease. Poor brushing technique and a lack of flossing after meals are two other things that can lead to oral problems. Many people don't have the time or money to do this. Always choose the best quality supplement for your teeth like ProDentim. ProDentim, a groundbreaking dental and oral health supplement, is designed to improve the health of your gums and teeth. It contains a mixture of minerals and vitamins, natural probiotic bacteria, and vitamins that have been scientifically proven to improve oral and dental health. This supplement is designed to strengthen and repopulate your mouth with beneficial bacteria. ProDentim's main ingredient is malic acid. This organic compound can be found in fruits, vegetables, and other foods. Malic acid is used to remove plaque buildup and remineralize enamel. Inulin is a soluble fiber found in certain plants, which helps to reduce inflammation and prevent bad breath. ProDentim also contains peppermint oil to soothe gum irritation and freshen breath. ProDentim also contains 3 probiotics, which are designed to help improve your gum and teeth health. ProDentim is a natural combination of these ingredients that can provide an effective oral and dental health supplement. It's easy to use, long-lasting and simple. ProDentim is a dietary supplement that supports users in maintaining good oral hygiene. ProDentim is a proprietary blend of over 3.5 billion probiotic strains, which ensures users receive different health benefits. It contains 3 powerful ingredients, a blend of plant extracts and minerals. They work together to improve the health of your teeth, gums, and digestive well-being. The probiotic strains are provided to the body by the formula. They aid in improving oral hygiene. It also addresses the root cause of any dental problems and treats them accordingly. This includes bad breath, bleeding gums, and loose teeth. It contains healthy minerals and plant extracts, which work together to strengthen your gums and teeth. This formula is a combination of plant extracts with clinically approved substances that restore the microbiome within your oral cavity. It helps maintain oral health and prevents users from developing dental problems. ProDentim releases a natural microbiome to your mouth, which helps fight against infections and free radicals. It boosts your immune system, which helps you fight off bacteria and infections. ProDentim's probiotic and prebiotic strains help to strengthen your immune system, which can naturally fight against dental problems. It also helps maintain healthy levels of good bacteria in your mouth. It helps to optimize the oral cavity and gums and keeps your breath fresh and healthy. It promotes good sleep patterns and digestive health. It naturally reduces the likelihood of developing cavities or other dental problems. Good dental hygiene is essential for good oral health. ProDentim probiotic tablets are one of the best oral probiotics available that can improve our overall health. This combination of natural components is ideal for improving oral and respiratory health, protecting against bad breath and tooth decay, and improving dental hygiene. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.